Hello! My vlog is today. Ang kakainin natin po today, mangga po. Ayan po na may ano dyan? Lagay ko, toyo, saka, hindi po suka asin, kasi po pag suka maasin na din po. Kaya po, so titigam tayo isa. Titignan tayo ng isa. Ate, andito pala ate ko, guys. Ate. Ate, Willis! Maya. Bag ko to, bag. Vlog pala, vlog. Kala ko bag. Birthday, guys. Asim-sim lang talaga. Wait lang guys ha. Hello, ito na guys. Hinalo ko lang yung toyo sa mangga namin kasi para hindi kasi tumatabla yung toyo. Kuha ka.
Sige, kain ka na dyan.
Sige. Look at that. It's flour. Ito. It's flour. Ay, ito pala. Ito, yan, flour.
Pure hard work.
Kabansan ba kamay ko? Wala. Ito naman si ito si ba yan? Si yan? Yung ito? Si yan te?
Ito. Ay, si Philipberg. Tweet.
Si Tweety Bird. Maayos kamay ko. Nangangalin na ako. Sige, kain na tayo ulit, guys. Masarap naman siya, kaso lang asin. Puro ka deh. Enggak ka.
Asim. Guys, ito yung mangga ni
Precious.
ni Precious Kim. Kasi asim nga dyan.
Pag ganyan, guys. Pero alam ko pag pinusto ng mama ko, madami magko-comment na respect all animals, diba te? May nakikita ko sa mga reels tapos nakikita ko yung mga comment, respect all animals, ganun sila.
Pero hindi niya.
Tatanggap ko kasi pwede nila mga animals sa'yo.
Tayo pa more.
Pero pag sila naman nag-vlog, mas mahangit sila.
Okay, kaya pa more.
Left side store's eldest and second eldest daughter's clothes. Right side store's
Wala kayo nakita.
daughter's toys and secrets.
Ako na-edit eh. Lahat yan mama-effect. May tawa, may yummy. Yun.
Edit mo nga ako.
Talo, ayoko.
Eh? Diba te, dati ang nag-edit sa'yo sa mga kaibigan mo lang. Kung in-edit mo yung picture ko, kuha ko tayo.
Yayap si mama yung bukas eh.
Tatay tayo.
Like the video, if you guess the first three correctly, the fourth one.
Balik ko lang magsabi ng TIE. Kasi kumakain tayo, guys. Ay, mutan ko.
Right.
Kaya yung toyo na yan, guys. Kakain
Share
ko.
this video with friends who can't live without soft drinks. 6-1.
May batang gutom, guys.
7-1.
Umiikot yung mata ko.
8-1.
Ano bang? Bata yan.
Malang mata yan.
Kunin mo ito, te.
Kesa hindi.
Soft drink logo. First one should be easy. Pepsi.
Yan. Ah!
My God. Asim pa more. Ay, kinilig siya, B.
Sa'yo yung isa, te.
Kinilig siya, B.
So, lang dahan-dahan lang dapat.
Baba.
Baka mamaya maturuan. Tulog tayo ka para kakapilit ng na ito, no?
Iba
Dito
yung
dapat dito. Mapupunasan naman yan, eh.
Kaya
Ang daming
tinatakuin.
toyo ko nalagay, sayang.
Ito yung gamitin mo mamaya.
Ilagay ko sa rep, pwede yun, di ba? Ginagawa niya yun. Tama na, te. Nakawala yung toyo.
Hayaan mo wala. May toyo naman ako. Eme. Kaso kay maniwala dyan,
Oh.
me.
Bilis ko naman. Wala, meron akong ano.
Okay maniwala sa akin. Hindi kayo maniwala sa bata na yun, no?
Sea turtle. Sea cucumber. Seahorse. Squirrel. Sea turtle.
Pag may kaaway.
Squid.
Sea slug?
Pag di marunong mairap.
Mangga pa more.
Pero guys, pag
Animal yun ah, sea cucumber.
pag may kaaway ako guys, talagang iniirapan ko sila. As in. Sarap sana ilagay dito bagoong, wala kami bagoong.
Maasim nga. Tapos may
Dapat may maalat. Te, mamaya pagkatapos ko mag-vlog, te, may nakichat sa'yo.
Nakita ko nga.
Paano?
Ano?
Rubik's.
Si Jonathan lang yan.
Wala ko sino.
I tried making s'mores.
Wala lang perfect. Ilang kailan.
Rubik's.
The idea of using chocolate dawning on me that would just send a big punch. So I tried chocolate cereal instead. And from that point, we are
Rubik's.
making magic.
Ay, tignan mo.
Then mix in all those atoms. But these are kind of not sticky. So I decided to throw it in the oven for 5 minutes. Fires a broil we can all appreciate, except I'm really bad
Yung
at
balot lang
I
tiye.
don't think they came out very good and taste delicious.
Kumakain ka ba
I tried making
balot?
s'mores, but ended up making this instead. I started with the idea of using
Pero
chocolate
pag ginawa-
dawning on me that would just send a big punch. So I
Pag-
tried chocolate cereal instead. And from that
Ayan.
point, we are making
Pagsisiw, hindi.
Hindi ka kakain.
Pero na yun, parang nandidiro na ako sa balot. Kasi matagal ko na kasi na ano, parang matagal ko na din siya tikman.
broil we can all appreciate, except I'm really
Ako lang, lagi ko na yun nahanap yun eh. Kaso wala kang dito eh.
I tried making s'mores.
Di sa Alphamart meron sa tabi niyo.
I started with the idea of using chocolate dawning. So I tried chocolate cereal instead.
I don't know. Kayo yung kami. Hindi ako.
Then mix in all those atoms.
Hindi naman
These are kind of not
nagpo-focus si
sticky.
ate.
So I decided to throw it in the
Magkamit
oven.
ba kayo ng
Fires
bisto?
a broil we can
Hindi ako nung... Marunong naman ako kasi di ako malong buo.
pretty good and taste delicious too. I tried making s'mores, but ended up
Anong ka gumamit pero mag-go hindi.
Marunong ako magkamit. Ba't ako tinatanong mo? Ha? Kasi kuya niya tinatanong sa akin.
Sa Ano English ng ano? Ng bagay.
No.
Siya sa akin.
Tapos sinsay ko mamaya, no?
Siya mo pwede.
Pwede mo yun. Kaya vlog na kasi ano-ano yung pinasabi natin. Kaya vlog eh. Mama vlog, di ba? Ano-ano pinasabi. Pati si ano?
Si La Chloe.
Si Mona. Si Lawana. Kumakain lang sa lang yan. Tapos ano na yung mga sinasabi nila.
Hindi! Ubus na yan! Hindi! Buto na yan!
In this video,
Fokusin mo, Tia.
every chip branded flavor into one chip.
Mahiya ka lang sa akin. Yay! Team sa akin, no?
By American chef George Crumb. Yes, that's it.
Mahiya ka naman sa akin.
It really was.
Butot balat. Time. May papahulaan ako sa kanila. Sa mga blue, sa mga ano.
Healthy and high quality.
Mag-comment. Mag-comment po kayo dyan sa ano ba?
Comment guys.
Dito ata yung comment o nasa baba. Hindi ko alam guys. Basta
Doesn't really make sense.
mag-comment kayo. Ito
Comment
may tanong ako. Bugtong.
I get a little bit of a seaweed taste and also
Butot, balat, lumilipad. Answer only.
a little bit of a
Sige na, count na kaya.
this letter, hot chili squid. I see it says it in English on this one. I've never tried squid before. Well, actually, this one
Ninja.
Hmm?
Nahiya ka naman yung bitin sa akin. Ba't buto-buto na, oh. Wawa naman to, oh. Hindi, masap kumain na maasim.
hope this works.
Bakit?
Why does this look like little burgers though? Come on, fit in there.
Parang yung ninahap na, ano, lamunan ko.
Titignan mo yung ano. Yung gusto ko dito.
It's not burnt either, in my opinion. It's the perfect amount of crispness.
Tapon na natin kasi yan.
Okay, cheap.
To bring these
Wala
chips,
na.
my friends, and have them taste tested, I had to make my own packaging. I don't know what you guys think of it.
So, I bought
Now the big break,
Bawal.
put them in this Tupperware and then put it in the chip bag.
Hi guys! Ako pala yung ating na palari.
Pakita ka.
I had to make this.
Pakita ka sa
This mini game is
viewers.
super quick and funny. The first one
Hi! Ay!
is your chip on the board.
So dito ako nagpupunta palagi o minsan kasi minsan may module kapag kasi walang pasok. Mainit nga kasi guys. So dito ako sa bahay nila, ganda bahay nila guys. So yan o.
Oh, and if that was
Minsan!
Bisa, madalas. Ay!
dati.
you get the point, okay? On your forehead.
Tapos may TV sila malaki guys. Ayun o.
Saan?
Kita nyo ba?
Eh, malayo, B. Dapat na nasusum na yun, B.
Ayaw mo zoom.
Ayaw mag-zoom, guys. Ay, ito, kuya na yan. Palagi nag-aaway yan, eh.
Yung nakahubad guys. Tapos yung nandito sa... Ayun na dito.
Ito kadabi na. Kapatid ko yan. Kasi yan,
Kasin namin, kasin.
yan. Makasundo yan. Bisa kaaway.
We've all been waiting.
Pero guys, lang guys.
Kaya kaya pa. Kaya pa.
Ano pa eh?
Kay Meme. Push me ante. Push me ante. Ay, kumanta.
Only 0.01 grams. Yeah, take as big of a
Eh, miss ko yung sinabi ni Vice Ganda.
Spicy.
May kanda mo dyan, B. Yan, very good.
A little bit of a heat kick.
Yan.
It's like so
Yung labi ng B, oh. Na, ano, okay pa ba?
It was definitely hard to explain. I'd say mostly barbecue and hot. Please check out.
Tapos na, uy, bombang. Bombang na, ano, may ng... Oh, nakaaway na.
嗯 Ano?
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9,
Pang dalawa na rin. Hindi, tayo na lang. Tayo kaya to. Tayo na lang kaya. Tayo mo na ka, no?
Maybe we have an 80-pound reel of Parmesan.
Eh, parang sila magduwa.
Cheese.
Saan na kayo?
Let's go down.
Ay, abete yun. Diba, skandal na eh.
Te,
Jowa.
lalaki ba talaga si ano? Vice?
Oh!
This duck laid an egg, but it kept rolling down the road. After seeing that the egg was not stopping, the woman collected the egg and incubated it.
Sabi,
to
ikaw,
save
bakit tinatanong
the
mo?
duckling hatched and was ready for the outside
Sabi, ako
world.
tinatanong mo kung lalaki ba yun?
The duck
Ba't
also
ba't
loves
sumali yung sa kabila?
blankets and blankets.
O, yun.
Grew to a duck. It loves swimming in the tub. Subscribe for
Ayun.
more. This duck
Wala kang video.
Huh? Okay. Ay, like pa yun.
This duck laid an egg, but it kept rolling down the road. After seeing that the egg was not
Patapos na
stopping,
tayo,
the
no?
woman collected the egg and
Hala,
incubated
60
it
minutes
to
na
save
pala
the duck.
tayo. Okay,
After a
tama.
few weeks, the duckling hatched
Yeah,
and was
very
ready
good
for the
yan.
outside
Kahit
world.
pa
It
more.
loves following its mom around the house.
Hindi
The
siya
duck
kita
also
pag
loves
wala
playing
ako, no?
hide and seek
Ano,
in
hindi siya
tubs
kita.
and blankets. After it fully grew to a
Wala
duck,
akong
it
nakikita.
kept swimming in the tub.
Yung nandyan,
Subscribe for more.
kita.
Ay,
This duck laid an egg, but it kept rolling down the
Di ba
road.
nasa sweet?
kai pa.
Not stopping. The
Yay,
woman
kai pa.
collected the egg
Oo.
and incubated it to
Madumi
save
na
the
to.
duckling. After a few
Madumi
weeks,
na
the
yan.
duckling
Tapo mo na
hatched and
yan.
was ready for the outside world.
Tapo mo
It
sa kanaya.
loves following its
Ay.
mom.
It's called cutting.
Sige guys, bye-bye po. Follow and share and likes and ano heart. Bye-bye
What's the
guys.
meaning of edgy?